Linis ng lahat ng museum. As of now, we're delivering already almost 40 attractions all over the Philippines. And then Lakbay is our priority project. So this project is a very, very close to our heart because this is not just a museum, but this is an experience to all the Filipino learners. So the main goal of this attraction is to let the Filipino children to feel, to taste the different cuisines, to try the different clothes, and then to dance with a different culture. And I just want to say congratulations to our family, Mama Lu, and of course to Kiltowa. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Miss Malu, I'm very excited with the Philippine Travel Mart because 2024, second runner-up lang po kami sa Best Food. 2025, second runner-up. I think right now I deserve to get the Best Food. So I told already to our marketing department, you need to make sure that I'll bring the trophy in our office. Again, maraming salamat on behalf of the Philippine Amusement Entertainment Corporation. We have a lot of big news. We're opening in Boracay. We have 2 more properties in Boracay. We're opening in Nuvali. Okay, it's the biggest, ngayon ko lang i-announce to. It's the biggest dinosaur museum in the Philippines. Okay, it's a partner with Ayala. And then we're creating 2 attractions in Boracay, which is will serve as a tourist destination, not only the beach, but it's also a museum who will entertain all our foreign delegates there. Again, maraming salamat sa pag-imbita, maraming salamat sa pag-promote ng Philippines. Mabuhay!
Mr. Lanza, everybody, thank you very much, sir.